All right. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. Today, I'm out with my wife a little bit, and I figured I'd turn the camera on. We're up in Andoer City, and this is Burger Street, and we're gonna walk down this way. Normally here on Fridays, you have all these vendors out. Today is not a normal day. Look at the cars, look at the lines, motorcycles, tricycles, waiting to get out. Getting up here was a mess, to be honest with you. It was just like crazy traffic. But we're gonna take a walk today and walk around a little bit. Yeah, it's a lot of traffic here today. A lot of traffic. December 23, day before Christmas Eve. And it's crazy. So anyway, look at the traffic. It just backed up everywhere, every street corner, every street, even coming up here from Mabalacat into Angeles. It was just jam-packed. So, social distancing does not exist today, guys. It's just impossible. You got to stay away. But look at this. I mean, it's stopped everywhere. You can barely walk. Sidewalks, motorcycles, all the crazy stuff. Yeah, so where should we go? I mean, you need the shop, so I'll follow you. So that was me commenting on my wife a little bit. We're gonna try to get some Christmas presents for the little ones. Some clothes or whatever. Yeah. And we are looking to do that. But Burger Street doesn't have any activity today. It's strange. So we'll see. Maybe we have to turn around. Well, my wife tells me, keep going. So I guess we are keep going. I guess she put her eyes on this little store here. They do seem to have quite a bit of clothing, and that's what we thought we were going to try to buy for the kids. No clothes. Kids can always use a lot of clothes, though. No, that's the end of this street, so we'll have to go back. It doesn't look like there's a whole lot going on here today.
Yeah, I think they went on the other side.
Yeah, well, we'll see. We got to walk up there and see. This is the street where the food normally is, right? Or no?
No, outside.
All right, so we are moving around a little bit and moved up to, I believe this to be Rizal Street up in Angeles. So we're going to walk around a little bit. Again, we're looking to buy some presents and small little things. It's a good place to do it. Most of the things here are fairly decent price. And if I stay in the background, the price sometimes get even better. So that's what we do. But anyway, if you see it here, it's traffic everywhere. Normally before, they shut down some of these street market days and all that. I don't think they do that any longer. So you see cars and trucks driving between the vendors, and it becomes kind of a mess. But in Philippines, everything is a organized chaos. So that's how it works in this country. A lot of music. Sometimes that screws up my videos. I get some copyright claims. It's not really a punishment, but you lose the revenues on the video, which I think is ridiculous when you're walking by. I mean, I could understand if you run the music for a minute, but most of the time it's just like very few seconds. All right, so now we are coming up here on the street where they sell the fruits and vegetables and all that. Look at that. All these fresh fruits. I'm going to buy some before I go home. That's for sure. Look at it. Awesome. My wife has a Target. I don't know exactly where. I'm just tagging along with her. And hopefully she finds what she's looking for. All right, everybody, that was a little Christmas tunes, trying to get in the mood here. This is quite different from where I was born and raised, where I could almost be guaranteed to have snow. And for a long part in my life, I lived about an hour south of the Arctic Circle. So there we had snow 6-7 months out of the year instead of sprinkled around Christmas. And I am not so sure they have even seen snow in this country, except maybe up in some of the mountains, up in Baguio or whatever. But anyway, we were kind of walking around trying to make a decision on what to get for the kids, and here we are inside, right around their pupil there. We decided to go in here and check it out as well. There is a lot of people, and I reflect back on this year. It's probably by far the most strange year I've had in my lifetime, and that is quite a few years. But we got through this one too, and hopefully 2021 will be a little different, where we can eventually start traveling around, see things, do things. That's one of the reasons I'm decided to stay here in the Philippines. It's just, traveling. There is so much to see here as far as nature, and I haven't even begun to see anything. I've been down in the Visayas and traveled in Samar a little bit, around Bohol, which are, good experiences. And one of the things I had on my mind this year was actually take the motorcycle and travel around, go down to Samar, go and visit out in our island where we have the property and all that. But it didn't happen so far. So we hope to do that next year. Anyway, my wife just loves to walk around, touch on things, and see things. And I'm just trying to be nice and patient to do this. I got to admit, shopping is not my biggest joy. I am the kind of person, I know what I want, I go in, I get it, and get out of there. So, but that's the difference between a male and a female, I think, many times. Anyway, this little short video just shows you around in Andoer a little bit, and the commerce and activities going on here. And I hope that you all get a really, really nice and good Christmas and New Year's. So we are going to continue to blog and do what we can to entertain you here on the channel, and we'll see what comes up for 2021. And I am going to finish this one up with a little Christmas carol and a few other things as we continue to finish our shopping here. And also, we are going to be live on Sunday morning at 9:15 a.m. here in the Philippines, 8:15 p.m. in the Eastern Time. So, thank you for watching. God bless and have fun. Take care of family, your nearest, the old, the young, and everybody else. God bless, and let's go.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year, is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
Wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.